Hey guys, Steve here, Rake and Profit, and in this video, I'm gonna be asking Vinny a question that came in from a viewer who we kind of think has some limiting beliefs. So if you're going to thrift stores and you're not able to find all the toys that Vinny's able to find, this video is gonna be for you. And people want to know, Vinny, I go to Savers, I go to Goodwill, I don't have toy bags. It's impossible for me to find toys. What do I do?
No toy bags?
They're saying there's no toy bags, and there's a couple comments saying there's no way I can do what you do because I don't have toy bags. So what advice would you give them?
So that's just store-wise. I mean, if you can't find them in the store, there's toys everywhere, like everywhere. You can find them on Facebook Marketplace is a good one. Tag sales, garage sales, estate sales, even flea markets you can go to.
And where are you going after this video?
Auction, a live auction.
So people are saying I can't find toys. I can't go to the thrift store and find toys. So what you're saying is look other places.
Yeah, pretty much. There's all different kind of avenues nowadays. There's so many things out there. There's Let Go, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. You know, summer's coming up. It's close to April, guys. There's going to be a lot of tag sales and stuff, and people are going to start dumping items. So if you didn't find bags now, you'll definitely find them soon.
Yeah, and the prices at the thrift stores are only going up and up and up. I actually think there's a better opportunity going to some of these other locations. You score huge at auctions all the time. Sometimes there's other competitors there, but...
Yeah, I mean, I think your best bet is if you're tired of thrift stores and you're tired of maybe prices going up, but they don't have anything. If you're, I think, more towards the south, you have tag sales, garage sales.
All year
round, so you can be hitting those. And if you're up north with us, we get them kind of seasonal. And I think it's good to hit the ground running, get out early on Saturdays and Sundays and hit the garage sales and make toy deals with people, because sometimes a lot of people would bunch up something in one shot and just give it to you.
Yeah, when it comes to reselling, it's not about, in these videos, you got to take everything with a grain of salt and then apply it to your area. Everybody has different opportunities.
Yeah.
Everybody. And here in Connecticut, it's cold. We don't have the yard sales, the garage sales all year long. And even the local marketplaces, people are just staying in the house. It's so cold, they don't want to even open the door for you. So go out there and look. And what would your final words be for someone who's like, you know what, I'm not even going to start selling toys because I just can't find them at the thrift store?
Well, I think that's a limited belief. I think sometimes people talk themselves out of things because they're fearful of what they can or what they may not be able to do. I think that more people that have that thought process should maybe expand their mind a little bit and try to think outside the box, or maybe this is not for you. Because if I sat there every day oh, there's no more toys, Savers, I'm not going to go anywhere in my life. It's just not going to, I'm not going to get better. I'm not going to solve the problem by complaining.
Yeah, we all do. I mean, I complain all the time too. We both do sometimes, but it doesn't get us anywhere. You know, the people who are the most successful reselling, they're not necessarily the smartest, but they're creative. They find ways.
You have to be hungry. And I love doing this. I love finding treasures. I love going out there. So I would take that extra step and go to tag sales and garage sales if I didn't find them in my store, because I have knowledge, I enjoy it, and I'm going to try to find it any way I can.
Awesome. Well, hopefully you guys found value in this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll put some links down below to some more resources, ways that you can build your business, other videos that we've created. And with that being said, keep on picking and making that money, and we'll talk to you in the next one.